Salwanani, igama ngusisa Senkosi, intombi yaseMambale. Welcome to Ama Catch Ups, the podcast that proves you never really lose touch. Namhlanje, silo baba uMfanelo Sibanda. I'm not going to introduce him, ngoba ngiyazazi ngiyakhuluma into ezingayisizo. So I'm just going to say linjani?
Siyaphila sisininjani?
Ay siyaphila. Maybe sengathi uzi introduce uthi fahla ukuthi hayi wena ungubani njalo ku MRP ubambe isikhundla esinjani.
Okay, angiyabonga. Angibingelele nami kubalaleli, ngibingelele nje kumthakazi wonke jikelele. Nigama uMfanelo Sibanda. Ku MRP ngu Head of Communication ku SA Charter.
Okay.
Ngoba sinama charters, sine national, sinama provinces. So kuqala ku national kusiya kuma provinces nama district. Then thina outside of Mthwakazi sinama charters.
Okay.
So mina ngimeli SA as Head of Communication.
All right. Ante uncedile bese mfuna ukuthi vice president. Hayi ke siyabonga like you had namhla sikhuluma le Mthwakazi Republic Party MRP kulabo abajayela ukuzwa ngayo kumbe abake bayibone kuma socials iphandle le bemela abantu ezintweni ezijiyeneyo. So we want to understand ukuthi iMRP vele ngingakafika uMRP ngiqale kuwe ukuthi wena what's your history in the political sphere? Were you a politician before, an activist? Yini yakufaka ku MRP?
Okay, angibonga. Angizange ngaba ku any political activism. Into nje eyangifoqayo indlela ebengibona singabantu beMathebeleni sisadline ngakhona. Angizange be ne-interest to any political activism ekhaya.
Yeah.
But benginombuzo nginama questions angathola impendulo ngendlela isimo esingakhona ikakhulu thina abantu baseMathebeleni. Mawungena ema police station, ungena ezibhedlela, ungena kuzo zonke indawo ikakhulu ama office ka government ukuthi indaba abantu bakithi bengatholakala lapho kungathi thina mhlawumbe kumele ukuthi sibe ngabantu ababhekayo abancengayo. So leyo nto lena yangenza ukuthi nami mase kuvela into kaMthwakazi yangenza ukuthi nami ngizwe nginoqozo ukuthi I think this is the right time for us ukuthi sonke sisikumele lento namakade ngiyibona ngingedwa. So iyo lento yangiqoqozela kakhulu. Ngazibona nami sengingena ngangena just ngifuqwa leyo nto ngazi ukuthi nami ngizofika kulesi sigaba engikuso manje because of inconsistency nokuyimisela.
Hayi siyabonga consistency lokuzimisela. One of the biggest agendas kumbe ngingathi policy ye MRP has the restoration of the Mathebeleni state. Ngicela ukuthi maybe usithi fahla kabanzi about that particular bit.
Yes. Into esibona ungathi uhlupho lwethu lwenza lungapheli njalo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ukuthi we are not part of decision makers. So sasesibona ukuthi njengoba vele sasiyisizwe emuva le mhlawumbe lokho kunomthelela ekutheni thina singabantu beMathebeleni sizibone sisalele emuva. So sasesibona kubalekile ukuthi si restore okwakukhona izolo. Ilizwe likaMthwakazi libe khona so that abantu bakithi koMthwakazi nabazo participate ekwenzeni ama decisions ngoba everything esenza ukuthi today ihlale esikhala ukuthi ama decision awenziwa yithi. Singaba nezifiso zokuthi lapha sifuna kube so, lapha sifuna umgwaqo, lapha sifuna isikole, but ama decision lawana awenziwa yithi. So iyo lento eyenza ukuthi sibone kubalekile ukuthi asivuselele uMthwakazi nembali yethu. Sibona kancane distort ihamba icasha esikolweni siyabona kunama curriculum akhona sideline yethu imbali. So into eyinye futhi yafuqa kakhulu ukuthi akube mhlawumbe nama political party alwela ukurestore isizwe sikaMthwakazi politically.
So MRP is a political party.
Yes, MRP ngathi mina it's a revolutionary movement.
The difference between that le political party.
Political party ngabantu ababanga umbuso. Thina sibangilizwe. So thina sikwezombangazwe. Ama political parties akwezombusazwe. Kusho ukuthi avumile ukuthi inkululeko sebayithola. Then babanga umbuso ukuthi lo akabusi kahle thina sibuse thina. Thina ke sikwezombangazwe into esifunayo thina lelizwe oqala. Singakakhulumi ngombuso.
Manje ngifuna ukubuza khona lapho angithi embangazwe ukuthi nxa singathi sibanga ilizwe as iMRP is saying njengoba at the moment umthwakazi sihleli celebrate imbali yethu the Mzilikazi movements abolobhengula would that not counter ukuthi kuthiwe isizwe sika Mzilikazi vela isizwe salapha elikhona so ilizwe lilibangayo liphi?
Angicabangi kanjalo ngoba isizwe lesasikhona othi lesi sizwe sasingekho ngibani yena wayengaphi ngoba sikhumbula ukuthi iMashonaland yacolonizwa ngo1890 abelungu iyodwa without any resistance.
Yeah.
Then umthwakazi wacolonizwa uwodwa after 3 years ngo1893. Then kusho ukuthi besingamazwe amabili abelungu bathi bebuya bezosicolonize basicolonize ngeminyaka ehlukeneyo bathe futhi sebesihlanganisa ngo1923 ngo1930 ba celebrate ukuthiwa i40 years Mashonaland occupation. Ngo1933 ba celebrate ukuthiwa i40 years Matabeleland occupation. Bazosihlanganisa ke ngo1923. And before besihlanganisa abanye kwaba ne referendum abanye bethi Matabeleland ibe part of South Africa. Abanye bathi akungcono ukuthi sihlanganise iMashonaland neMatabeleland kube yini kube Southern Rhodesia kungakabi iRhodesia. So izwe lalivele likhona uMzilikazi noma wayehamba wafica abantu khona bekhona ababevele beseMatabeleland.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa bese ngibuza ukuthi how do you respond to criticism le ethi iMRP's agenda is more of an ethnic division whereas the rest of the world out there is trying to restore ukuthi kuhlanganwe izizwe ezihlangane thina sifuna ukuqamulana?
I think thina komthwakazi sina more than 13 tribes. 13 tribes. In these 13 tribes sonke asebandlululana akekho yakabandlululo umuntu. And then we have even laba babuya eMashonaland esicabanga ukuthi ngenye nation nayo bakhona eMatabeleland. Even though we know that they committed crimes eMatabeleland but bahlala nathi eMatabeleland in peaceful. We don't have even a single incident whereby bake bahlukunyezwa ngokuthi bayimhlobo. Thina into esikhuluma ngayo i-system esithi i-system ekhona so far asiyithande futhi asiyifuni ngoba le system iyasibandlulula thina singabanikazi bendawo sisonke singama-tribes ona lawa esithi i-13 tribes ngoba iZimbabwe ngithi ina 16 official languages.
Yes.
So i-13 ibuya ngapha eMatabeleland but thina kuzothiwa si-tribal kanjani ngoba in all these 13 tribes akekho omunye akashayela omunye ukuthi nomhlobo bani nomhlobo bani. So into esishoyo ukuthi asibeni equal sonke eMatabeleland sihloniphane ukuthi singabantu sihlukene kodwa singabantu abayi-one. So we want equal for all. And then i-system ekhona so far sicabanga ukuthi i-replace i-white supremacy system esithi thina yiyo lesayisukumela ukuthi siyilwise. And then le khona iyafana nayo so kumele nayo siyilwise ukuze iphume ukuze sonke sibe equal.
Okay. Would it not be easier ngoba mina ngokubana kwami personal secession is a longer process as compared to would it not be easier ukuthi iMRP ibe yi-political party ithathe ke umbuso ibuse ngendlela ebona kuzaba fair on everybody else? Have we tried that and failed?
Yeah, but based on our research since 1980 kuzofika namhlanje abantu beMatabeleland mabe siyavota bavotela nanoma ngabe ubani because we are not tribal. But other side of the region they don't vote for umuntu obuya eMatabeleland.
Yeah.
So based on that kusho ukuthi thina eMatabeleland angeke saza safa saphatha elizweni laseZimbabwe. That's why ngenye yama reason ukuthi asiphumeni nathi so that sikhulisa abantu abethu nabo esifisa ukuthi nabo ngelinye ilanga baparticipate elizweni ubabe ngabo president ngoba so far mangikhulisa umuntu nami ngiyazi ukuthi uzogcina kwi position. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngaleso sizathu yikho lokho kwenza ukuthi okunye ukuthi sithi thina asiphumeni sibe ngumthwakazi.
Right. Okay. Sisakhonapho ngingabuza ukuthi ama core ideas like the core ideological principles of iMRP yiwapi eliyo lithi maybe esikho esikummeleyo kuthathwe yilokhu lalokhu kumbe yilokho kuyi-one. What are your core principles?
Okwamanje ngicabanga ukuthi into esingafocusa kuyo or esifocuse kuyo kuqala ukuthi sithole ilizwe. Then sesithole ilizwe sesizokhuluma ke ngokuningi. Ngoba ifocus yethu okwamanje ukuthi ilizwe libuye kubanikazi balo. Lingabuya kubanikazi balo, then abantu bakomthwakazi they will decide what they want. Because abantu bakomthwakazi they are capable of anything. Because ungabheka imbali yethu ngobulawayo ukuthi ube clean kangakanani, ube ranwa ngabantu bakobulawayo. So whatever kukhona so far kwenza ngathi abantu bakomthwakazi abekho capable ukuthi kulabanye abantu abasithathela ama decision thina singasithathelanga. So into esifuna ukuqala ukuthola ilizwe le, then the rest will decide.
There's always been a reference to the Batini, the Litini paper the Kukraundi
1979
agenda.
Konke abakubhalayo laphana kukhona kuyenzeka. Yikho siku-experience nawo. Ukuthi abantu bemathibele number 1 akumelanga bathole imfundo. Because imfundo yiyo yenza ukuthi umuntu aphakame. So ngezinye izindlela babesi-oppressa ngazo. That's why after i-genocide they deployed ama-CIO as ama-teachers esikolweni zakithi. Likhumbula ukuthi nasake sasalela nge-5 years emuva esikole. Ilizwe litholakala from 1983 kusiya ku-87 isikolo zazivaliwe emathibele. Bona ngale benikezana ama-position, benikezana izikhundla. Thina ngapha ama-teacher nabantwana babebulawa. So ngeyinye yezinye zezinto engicabanga ukuthi i-grand plan yaba successful. Then it comes to i-security ukuthi kumele ukuthi ba-monitor. That's why sibona i-deployment of abantu abasuka khona ngale i-majority yabo kuyiyo kuma-position emathebeni, because I think they feel threatened ngabantu bemathebeni. So they are still monitoring us. I-Gugurawundi isaqhubeka systematically. So bakhona bazomonitor thina. So i-grand plan ilokhu ikhona iyaqhubeka. Engicabanga ukuthi ama-agendas wabo ngoba beqale ngoku-implement i-Gugurawundi bathi education, i-security kumele ukuthi basimonite. Inama-stages amaningi engicabanga ukuthi kunzima ukuthi si-reverse. Only that we have to call a spade a spade ukuthi i-reverse ibuyele emuva.
So seeing as I would have expected ukuthi maybe the grand plan would be a secret document. Njengoba lathi sesilazi lelo document la lokho elikuhlelileyo. Mina nxa ngikhangele like i-constitution yeZimbabwe, how do you plan on maneuvering i-secession le? Ngoba i-constitution does not allow us to.
Yeah, i-constitution mina ngwami umbono ngicabanga ukuthi ayisifavor thina singabantu bemathebele. Okokuqala ayikho into thina we don't decide, bona baba decide. So uma ukhuluma nge-constitution ukhuluma ngabanye abantu ababumba i-constitution bevele betargete thina. Angithi emehlweni omhlaba ngabukeka ngathi kukhona okunye kusifavor kodwa akukho kusifavor. So bayibumba bona besazi ukuthi bayibumbele thina. Kufana nomthetho, umuntu akutshela ukuthi we have to respect or umele ukuthi ulandele umthetho. There is no law. Angithi like okaSmith na umthetho kathi ngokaSmith, which is nabo bawusukumela bathi asomthetho. So that we are still feeling the same way ukuthi asomthetho. Ngoba mawubheke ama-police ama-police abalandeli umthetho we-policing, because uma bekubopha today emathebeleni i-instruction kuyarara ukuthi either liyambopha or either liyamkhulula or either liyamfayindisa. Baqala badiscuss kuphi eHarare. So angicabanga ukuthi i-constitution iyasifavor. Lo mthetho eZimbabwe angeke ngithi ngumthetho so far compared to South Africa. I think ubonile uMkhwanazi the way obedila ngakhona. I think there's kungcono kakhulu ngomthetho wabo. But ngale alikho ipolicy lingasukuma li-challenge lapha ngoba once wa challenge abantu labantu su challenge ama-politician avela corrupt, then angeke ukwazi yebo bangakubeka bathi umthetho. So mina I don't believe ukuthi bathi constitution bathi umthetho.
Okay, ntakhona ngani yabhoda round and round. So since kule grand plan imthetho angithi sengingathi umbuso is centralized. We also have a deployment of people from outside the region bebuya eMatabeleland. Ngizama understand ukuthi i-MRP, how is it going to maneuver itself into making its core policy possible in the present Zimbabwe?
Ngizobuyela futhi ngithi thina ifocus yethu sis kufuna ilizwe.
Ilizwe lakhona lizalithatha njani? Yikho ngifuna khonapho yikho ngifuna ukuya khona ukuthi ilizwe leli ngemthetho ekhona ngithi engasifeviyo ngabo grand plan lakho konke osokumentionile. How are you planning to do this in the same Zimbabwe that is oppressing you? Ufuna ukuphuma kanjani?
Ngathi uqaleni MRP agenda was to mobilize and educate abantu bakomthwakazi ngekhozi eyakomthwakazi. And then we use ama-election as a tool.
Yeah.
Ngoba you cannot organize abantu uyefika kibo without ubona ama-police ukuthi bakuclearele. Then ama-elections asiwangena strategical ukuthi sikwazi ukumobilize abantu, sikwazi ukuyofika ebantwini, sibafundisa ngekhozi kaMthwakazi. Then step number 2 ukuthi siengage international udaba lwethu alukazi lufike kwamanye amazwe. So thina we feel like it is our duty ukuthi siqale ukulifikisa. Already manje siku that process of engaging internationally. That's why besibhala izincwadi sibhalelwa amazwe omhlaba, and then siku process manje preparing for leadership ukuthi ihambe kuma headquarters wonke abhalelwe izincwadi ukuyofika khona. Ukuthi bawufika bona straight ngoba izincwadi mase zihambile, I think there's inidi yokuthi i-leadership ihambe njengoba lekhumbula ukuthi abobaba uNkomo nababephuma behamba. So I think izoba ngeyokuqala ke ilokhu zenethu yokuphuma sisiyaphana. Then yokuthi keep on educating abantu ku ground. eZimbabwe sithembelanga khona. That's why bengihlala lokho ngibuyela ngithi mina we don't care ukuthi benzani so far. Either ngama-election either whatever mhlawumbe ama-election if mangabe kudinga ukuthi singena strategical kunama reasons esabe so afuna to gain something ngoba injongo yethu ukuthi abantu babekwazi. Then udaba lwethu kahle kahle besifisa ukuthi internationally baluzwe ukwenzela ukuthi bakwazi ukusincedisa abafisa ukusincedisa. So manje sikuso leso stage international engagement or ngithi mina international lobbying.
Okay.
Njengoba ngihamba no foreign affairs wethu naye.
Yeah.
Umsebenzi wakhe.
Okay.
Yikho lapho engathi okwamanje sikufocus ekhona kakhulu.
All right. Nglembuzo ethu khona lapho following up. Oqala ngokuthi uthi liyangena ama-elections strategically. Would that not then confuse labo abalandela i-MRP? Because if in one instance you are saying Tina, we're not a political party, singeni kwezombusazwe, then in the next sentence you are saying siyangena strategically because we need something else. Is that not confusing to the masses then?
Ngokwe revolution thina ngithi abantu siyabe sibafundisa akuconfuse ngoba kusho ukuthi mangabe sizongena kumele ukuthi sibachazele abantu ukuthi singena because of which reasons why singena. Ngoba ngishilo ukuthi ekuqaleni besingena ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siyofundisa abantu ngoba into igama likaMthwakazi belingekho ebantwini.
Yeah.
Belingekho total. Noma abanye kade beyazi imbali but belingekho. Then thina sakwenza ukuthi sisebenzise ama-election as a tool ukuthi sili promote, and then sali promote. That's why uthola ukuthi even our enemy abaningi kade bengazi ngoMthwakazi baqala ukuzwa nge-MRP. Even cultural ngoba iculture nayo isukuma kangaka futhi siyisupport ibingakabi namandla athe, but thina we use ama-election ukuthi siyipromote leli gama kwenza ukuthi bona laba basi-oppressileyo mangabe either se-register ngalo futhi leli gama ukuze silipromote. Likhumbula ukuthi uRadio 2 oyiMontrose yayithiwa uRadio Mthwakazi. Then ilizwe lithe litholakala yakhansilwa le nto le. So thina injongo yethu kokuqala wazi ukuthi educate abantu and then mobilize ama-masses and then sibafundise ngekhozi kaMthwakazi before se-engage internationally.
Right. Bese ngena ku-international. Seeing as you've been lobbying leli iqale kathesi kumbe, have you attempted to or have you tried in the past, and if you have, selike lathola any sort of feedback from any other country or any other international organization with regards to Mthwakazi?
I-lobbying I think ngathi siqale kakhulu, I think during corona lapha nabo 2020. Yeah. I think i-leadership elokhu ibhala izincwadi, and then ngokuya kwesikhathi ngoba oqala ukuthola ukuthi sabe sibhalela abantu abangamakhelwane bethu amazwe ngamakhelwane SADC nama neighboring countries, and then lokho sinathi siya expand sisiya internationally. amazwe amaningi asesiphendulile udaba lokomthwakazi balo understanda kakhulu but into ekade swelakale ingekho ngabantu abazimiseleyo ukuthi balusukumele udaba lwethu ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi olwethu udaba lu-easy kakhulu because likhumbula ukuthi thina singabantu ababulawa nge-genocide and then i-genocide it's a crime against humanity abantu ababulewe nge-genocide bayi-candidate efanele ukuthola i-self-determination so thina we are the right candidate because of i-genocide and secondly indaba yokuthi amazwe vele kade emabili sahlanganiswa singavumanga so umhlaba okwenza u-understand i-story sethu yikho lokho but into ebiswelekile ebingekho i-effort from ebantwini bakomthwakazi.
Speaking about genocide, the current president has been running kule program abayenzayo to take I think ngama stories, they are chronicling the stories of victims of iGugurawundi, and I'm not sure what is the end goal. Have you been involved in that, Lina? Ngiyazi ukuthi kuyahanjwa emakhaya kuyenzwa ama-interviews, recorded interviews and things like that, trying maybe to resolve the issue of Gugurawundi. It's been almost 40 years now sayidlulayo ukuthi at what point do we say ayiphele or silungisa njani ukuthi we go over that step?
Tina, we believe there is no peace without justice. Okokuqala into esifunayo i-justice. Lo bathi upresident ezama imizamo yakhe yokufihla ogqibela udaba lweGugurawundi mayihamba without i-justice asiyiboni ukuthi iyasebenzela. That's why we believe ukuthi okokuqala into esifuna i-justice, then sizokhuluma nge-peace. Sesikwazi ukuthi ama-perpetrators abantu okuyibona ababulala abantu bakithi benziwa njani njalo sebevumile. Okwamanje angeke ukuthi wena ubulela abantu bakithi ubusubuya futhi uzositshela ukuthi senze njani uphinde usinikeze ama-terms and conditions wena kunguwe ovela ulecala. So into ka-president lana yakhe yokupolitika kuphela efuna amavote or efuna ukuthi abantu bemathebeleni bamntwana or either maybe amanye amazwe kuyabe kukhona kufunayo mhlawumbe nabambuzo ngodaba lweGugurawundi abesezama imizamo but ayisebenzi ngoba likhumbula ukuthi iGugurawundi ibingakhulunywa ngayo iminyaka edlule kakhulu. Ishisa manje because of our young generation. We are pushing ukuthi there is no peace without justice.
What does justice look like?
Thina ezabantu bakomthwakazi ama-victims yitho kumele sisho ngodaba lweGugurawundi ukuthi sifunani. I think that would be justice. So far kusakhuluma i-perpetrator angithi ngoba akakafuni thina ukusizwa. So thina mhla kuyithi abantwana bakomthwakazi nabadala bakomthwakazi wonke umthwakazi jikelele ngoba siyakwazi ukuthi iGugurawundi yenza umonakalo ongakanani kithi. Siyakwazi ukuthi kulabantu bakithi amathamba abasadotshwa izinja egangeni. Siyakwazi kulabantu abagqibele eBhalaphi. Bonke labana abantu siyafisa ukuthi ngabe ngelinye ilanga mangabe kwenzeka amathamba abagujwe bayolohla ngesizothe ngoba angithi singabantu abamnyama sinesiko. Umuntu mangabe ezobekwa lapha ekhaya kumele ukuthi senze isiko lethu. So konke lokho yana akukwenziwa. And then i-government yaseZimbabwe ayikho ready ukukwenza. Yona ifuna ukuthi igqibele le nto lana ukwenzela ukuthi ikwazi ukuthola amavoto iqhubeke isenza lokho ekwenza. So that's why sithi i-justice uqala abantu bemathebeleni kube yibo abadetermine ukuthi sifunani ngodaba lweGugurawundi. And then thina siyiphathi eze-MRP sicabanga ukuthi the only solution ngodaba lweGugurawundi yikusivumela sivuselele umngcele wethu. Then sesizosala sizibonela ke.
Kahle kahle nawe nithi kuliwe lapha akuvele kudivorce kawane. Kahle kahle asifuni peace, sifuna ukuhamba.
Thina asifuni ukulwa, into esifuna i-justice. And then abangafuni i-justice yibo abafuna ukulwa ngoba i-justice sithi thina singama-victims eGugurawundi. iGugurawundi sicabanga ukuthi i-solution yayo ukuze sibe ne-peace ukuthi umngcele ohlukanisa umthwakazi leMashonaland owasayinelwa ngo-1891 sifuna ukuthi uvuselelwe.
Yi-solution yethu le.
Yi-solution self-determination.
Ngoba ukuthi siqolisiwe hayi siya-accepta si-right siphileni hayi asifuni lokho.
Angithi manje yithi ama-victims kumele sisho ukuthi sifunani.
And thina sifuna ukuhamba.
Imbadalo yethu esiyifunayo yini angithi. So imbadalo yethu thina esiyifunayo ukuze sisale singa-accuse abanye abantu ngokuthi bayilokhu nalokhu nalokhu basinikeze umngcele bangasinikeza umngcele i-justice esiyitholile.
Alright. Asithi it then happens ukuthi umngcele uvuselelwe. Silawo yini ama-plans for the economic restoration of uMatabeleland, because like you are saying yonke into at the moment is centralized. So thina silawo yini ama-plan ukuthi kungathi umngcele lo usuvuselelwe siqala nga ngokubona kwami iMatabeleland is quite low on the economic scale eZimbabwe. Angithi from imisebenzi abantu abasebenzayo ngabavela phandle esikolo konke khona lokho, so iplan lethu lithini kumbe sizaphuma sisale sesikhala futhi?
eMatabeleland si-contributa 60% yezomnotho eZimbabwe. SiyiMatabeleland 60% yomnotho ibuye eMatabeleland, but thina silalutho. Sinama-natural resources eMatabeleland. Engicabanga ukuthi we have everything that we need. Only that thina we don't decide. Sinayo everything. Sinegolide iMatnorth, igolide ligcwele. Kubo bube ngale. Sine-lithium. Engicabanga ukuthi nayo futhi is part of ilokuzeni umnotho. Engicabanga ukuthi in future uzosiza kakhulu. Ngezwe bathi iLupane, I think discover ilithium engalasta for 400 years to come. So umnotho sinawo omningi. Then bese siba negas futhi. Nayo ngezwe futhi nabathi itholakele lapha eLupane. Nayo engicabanga ukuthi amanye ama resources wethu. So far I think wake wayibona ilokuzeni yokutshontsha igolide leyana.
Yes.
Abantu ababenefita lapha igolide lelana ngelaMatabeleland. Abala golide emashonaleni. So umnotho sinawo. Abantu that are capable ukurana ilizwe eMatabeleland. Ngicabanga ukuthi baningi kakhulu. Just that ukuthi nabo bayabona ukuthi so far asinayo opportunity. Sinayo imbali yokubuswa ngabantu ababengazange baye esikole. Ngicabanga ukuthi umzilikazi ilizwe lakhe lali structured, le governance yonke. Ngoba wayelezi nduna elabo nduna nkulu. Engicabanga ukuthi akudingi kakhulu izinto eziningi. Kudinga kuphela ukuthi abantu beMatabeleland babe le opportunity yokuhlala phansi ba decide ukuthi nanku okungokwethu manje sizokwakha kanje. Now you can contribute. Libaningi liphandle ngale. Just that you don't have opportunity yokuthi nawe be part of decision makers. But okuningi eMatabeleland ngicabanga ukuthi human resources sinayo. Ilokuzeni bathi natural resources sinayo. Mineral resources sinayo. Ayikho into esingenayo. Just that thina asikho etafuleni lokwenza ama decision.
In the future of the new Matabeleland, according to maybe MRP, I think ngoba subiyele point ekade ngizayibuza ukuthi khathesi sile nkulumo yenkosi. So MRP yona, does it recognize that structure?
Yes, kakhulu. Ngoba kokuqala angithi thina sifuna ukuthi uMthwakazi avuselele.
Yeah.
Masifuna ukuthi uMthwakazi avuselele, uMthwakazi ekuqaleni beWikingdom.
Yes.
And then asikwazi ukuthi sihambe singena structure sobukhosi. That's why kokuqala sikuphusha kakhulu yibukhosi. That's why sihlala silwela ukuthi inkosi sifuna ukuthi ikhulume mangabe kule micimbi njengabo Mhlahlandlela, because yiyo inkosi esenza ukuthi sibe uMthwakazi. Without yena uMthwakazi awukho. That's why futhi sisebenzisa lona leli gama lokuthi uMthwakazi, because it was a kingdom. So istructure sobukhosi kithi siqhakatheke kakhulu. That's why we will die defending ubukhosi singakafiki kupolitics. Ngoba thina singakafiki kupolitics singumthwakazi because in ubukhosi bakithi. Then politically we think ukuthi nathi we have to play a role to ukuthi sincedise ubukhosi bakithi bungaphindi bubulawa ngoba bulawa politically. So either siyake sizwa abantu bethi hayi ipolitics ingangeni entweni zeculture. Yebo siya understand asingeni ngoba as participate whatever bakuplana. But mase sibheka umumo politically okwenza ukuthi kube le infiltration nokuthi into zakithi zihambe slowly, sicabanga ukuthi politics determine abantu bangale. So that we have to plan MRP. Noma nathi singangena ngaphansi kotshani sihambe sifike khona sicashile. Kodwa sikwazi ukuthi sizodefend siyilihlo lenkosi kahle kahle.
I've heard ama calls of ukuthi inkosi ayikhulume eMhlahlandlela. Yiphi inkosi? Ngoba as it stands asilayo, angithi ayikakhethwa ngokwazi kwami amakhumalo akasinikeza inkosi ningazi njalo.
Athina ngeke size sikufihle so far ukuthi inkosi yipi. Ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi lokho nani nikubona makusenzeka. Ngathi mina before imicimbi nalena eliyibona ikhula kangaka, before kungakabi khona umuntu engathi mina manje bambiza ukuthi inkosi abantu abaningi not thina be-MRP abantu abaningi mabethi inkosi ngicabanga ukuthi imicimbi lwana yayingakhuli ibe kuleli yaziyo so ukuba khona kwakhe lo muntu ngicabanga ukuthi uyisimbolo of uku-unite abantu bakomthwakazi so thina sisupport into eyakomthwakazi engacompromiseyo le system so far we support into esupportwa ngabantu bakomthwakazi ngoba thina sihambisana le voice yabantu bakomthwakazi
use voice yabantu bakomthwakazi ithini
ithubulelana
okay so all right so yeah kunzima eZimbabwe hayi kunzima okay ayithe inkosi siye
ngoba ngithi manje iyamakhumana kodwa ke phandle sebephumile endlini yamakhumana sebe outside ngapha kule favorite ebantwini so thina yiyo lento esihamba nayo
but ukhosa ngeke uhambe ngefavorite ukhosa ngithi buya ngelineage ngithi not ngefavoritism phela if kusiya ngefavoritism sesingaba nesithathe uDakamela is a people's favorite sengaba inkosi laye maybe ngenye imini aningi
uDakamela thina sifuna ukumeqinisweni uDakamela ngeke azabe inkosi
hayi ngitshela ukuthi angithi ngefavoritism ngitshela ukuthi as an example ngomunye wabantu abayifavorite ebantwini ukuthi so nxa sesithi inkosi iya ngofavoritism
angithi la sibala ngabo labo ngabantwana bakokhumalo
between labe sesele lapho
ngoba inkosi kumele iphume endlini yamakhumalo angithi so endlini yamakhumalo uma kuyikuthi inkunzi zikhona khona lapha angithiwa inkunzi isematholeni so yona lena abantu ababeyifavor ukuthi as long kungumuntu ophuma kuphi endlini yamakhumalo so uma ngabe lo muntu lo abantu bemthanda bembona ukuthi lo muntu lona hayi uyo right thina support into esupportwa ngabantu
hayi ngiyathanda indlela elisebenza ngayo support okusupportwa ngabantu kuphela so ngingazi ukuthi there's been sentiments that you have said on social media I'm not so sure ukuthi izinto ezivela kuwe personally because sometimes angithi uba ngumfanele uphinde ube yi-spokesperson angithi so there's been times where you have been controversial ngama-artists akobulawayo being part of certain events or doing certain things elibona zingavumelekile kumbe zingaso a right look for the Mthwakazi nation
athi ke ngiqale ngiqondise futhi la kule page le party angithi ngicabanga ukuthi party whatever esekwenzayo we update from i-page then bese kusiba le page la mina as umuntu umntwana wakomthwakazi elami lelana personal then even though ngingakhuluma okunye ngicuphe party but ngiyabe ngikhuluma mina yezumfanele angithi into engenza ukuthi ngicriticize kakhulu ama-artist ngibheka i-influence yabo angithi ukuthi bane-influence komthwakazi and then i-influence yabo kulaba bengemva kwabo iyasilimaza noma iyasikhulisa njengesizwe ngicabanga ukuthi thina njengabantu bemathebelend singama-citizen we have a duty ukuthi siyi-correct leya nto leyana ukuthi no we cannot promote abantu ababulala abantu bakithi so I think ama-artist bona babhekele esayidini laba ngithi lokuthi nami ngifuna ukudla but singakunanzelela ama-artist akithi wonke uma ngabe phakama awaphakanyiswa i-government okokuqala abawadlala kuma-national TV abawadlala kuma-radio thina singabantu bakomthwakazi either umuntu uphakamelela egoli yithi sebe simsupporta ngamasenti either sihlabele estradeni abantu bakomthwakazi bona laba abasebenza ema-kitchen abango-garden boy ngokuhlukana kwemsebenzi bathatha imali yabo besesupport omunye wabo there is no any lokuzeni i-program from government ephakamisa ama-artist akomthwakazi that's why uzothola ukuthi abantu abaningi bathi no abantu bemathebelend abasupportani mina ngiyayala leya nto ukuthi uthiwa abasupportani because we have ama-artist amaningi aphumelele because of amasenti abuya kuma-individuals ebantwini bakomthwakazi so kunzima ukuthi baku-understand but I think kancane kancane we have to force them kancane kancane we have to force them until baze beku-understand vele bazofika bazoku-understand ekugcineni
okay yazi umningi imbuzo but ngiqale la is there a space yokuthi sithi an artist is apolitical nginje njenge-artist ngibizwe ngihambe ngiyoperforma ku-rally say kumbe ku-event ye-ZANU-PF, kusasa ngiperforme kwe-MRP, kusasa ngiperforme kwe-MDC, CCC kumbe ZAPU, whatever. Is there a space for that ebantwini bakithi kumbe as long ngile artist elilindebele I belong to Mthwakazi and I
asithini singafocus kakhulu ukuthi it's all about money, but akube nama principles ukuthi ngingumthwakazi i-damage yenziwa la abantu namhlanje ngiphandle o namhlanje umfowethu phandle o umfowethu omunye wabulawa asimazi thina, it's because of this political party. Then if mina ngisiyabuya kusho ukuthi ngijabulela ukuthi yabulala umfowethu, then kwenzela ukuthi mina ngisale ngithola imali ngayo. Akufani neSouth Africa. ESouth Africa ama-artist are free ngoba vele bale democracy abantu laba, umunye ahambe ku-EFF, umunye ahambe ku-ANC, ilizwe labo engicabanga ukuthi so far okwalesi sikhathi lisabavumele ngoba i-situation iyenza ukuthi kugcine kusiba labantu abanye abazolwa njengathi.
Yo, we are running a very big risk ke manje nxa kunjalo, because I feel like that particular opinion makes it sound like we are detecting to ama-artists what they can and cannot do with their profession. Angithi i-artist umsebenzi wakhe yikujabulisa abantu.
Exactly.
Is to play out i-information kumbeni ukuthi sigcine amasiko lezinto ezinjalo. So in one space ama-artist asemaThebeleland kanengi asoze sithone siqamba amanga, they are struggling angithi. So if lapho okumele bathole khona imali, imisebenzi okumele ibatholise imali ngoba la abakhona ayikho leyo msebenzi angithi, yonke imali engathi iyabhadala ile phandle. Nxa sesithi bangahambi le ngoba sibathwalisa umthwalo ukuthi they are now also influencing the masses into the wrong side of the populace. Asirani risk then yokufuna ukucontrola ama-artists ethu.
Ngizobuyela futhi ekutheni umume sikuwo uyasiforce ukuthi sicontrolane, not because of ukuthi siyakuthanda. Angithi ngizobuyela back ngithi mina ngesikhathi abantu abamnyama besilwa nombuso wamakhiwa, angithi kwakungenza ukuthi wena umuntu omnyama ubonakala usayida nani nabelungu, ujabulisa abelungu because of your personal gain, angithi. So thina nathi sikuleso simo manje. Ngakhumbula ukuthi eSouth Africa lana before I think ubo 1976 ama-youth amaningi abesilwa nezinto ezinjalo, uthola ukuthi kulabanye abantu abasasympathize nani namabhunu, and then i-situation yabakade bekuyo ibingasabavumele, but kuyadlula ngithi kwinto lokho because liyabulwa likuwini likunqobe ngokuncedisana ngoba manje makuyikuthi ama-artist ayahamba and then sibayeke kusho ukuthi asikafiki to an extent ukuthi asilweni sonke sinqobe lempi then bese siba le new page where everyone will benefit.
Well, are we then forcing them to be part of a struggle? Maybe abangafuni ukuba part of it.
That's why sithi revolution. Revolution, either way, you must be forced to toe the line.
Hayi okay mara hayi ngiyabuza ngoba angithi lami ngile artist like you know. So ngizama ukucabanga ukuthi mina indima engiyidlalayo njengomculi njengomhlabeleli maybe njengosaziwayo semaThebeleland nxa ngifuna ukuphumela phandle, because the first thing engiyenza nxa ngiphuma is to export my talent, angithi.
Exactly.
Is to also earn through my profession. So nxa umthwakazi yena engelawo lawo ma spaces for me, kusho ukuthi kuhle nje ngiyekele lokho engikwenzayo ngoba that space engiphila kiso asisoze singikhulise.
I think okunye umele sikunanze, the reason why umthwakazi engena space is because bona labaya angithi. So bona kusho ukuthi i-system ngendlela abayidesigner ngayo bayicreate ngayo yikuthi wena ungabi ne-space kini so that wena uzobuya kibo angithi. And then lokhana kufrustrate obani abantu bakomthwakazi ngoba okwenza ukufrustrate abantu bakomthwakazi ukuthi babethanda ukuthi abantu bakithi bakhuphuke bekubo nabo, then uma ngabe noma labana kuyikuthi sebekufuna angithi, but ube le support yabantu bakini, ungahamba abantu bakini benjani bezondile ngoba mawusiya ngala abantu bakini bezondile kufana nokuthi uphume ekhaya abakini nawo bengathanda amabhadi azokulandela amasho angithi basho njalo.
Hayi ngiyakuza. Moving on, there has been a time where it looks like or it feels like i-MRP has split. Singaphi khona lapho?
Yeah, I think it's nature of umzabalazo wonke. Angithi mangabe silwela umthwakazi, silwa le enemy vele kade khona kudala, ene experience how to split ama political parties. I think ungananzelela kubo MDC, kubo CCC afa through ilokuzeni split. So nathi ke sishaywe ngento efanayo futhi. Naliyana eyashaya MDC yaphinda yashaya CCC, but because ke thina we are like, because we are a revolutionary movement, not a political party, because we political party kukhona okunye ongakwazi ukukwenza ngoba i-political party, but as a revolutionary party kukhona okwazi ukukwenza ngoba sonke awulandeli sonke isikhathi into yabifunwa ngabantu, ngoba nawe kumele ukuthi ushape indlela yokuthi umthwakazi azakhululeke. So kwenzekile nakithi, not if, I don't think ukuthi ibingokuqala ukuthi okunye abantu akade bengakunanzeleli, so kukaningi kusenzeka. Lathi ke sazithola sesikusimo esinjalo, abanye bethu sasicabanga ukuthi sihamba nabo, sababona sebesithi hayi nabo sebeyiphathi. So ungakubheka kahle kahle okuyinto lokhana kwenzeka eZimbabwe kuphela, asikubheke eSouth Africa. Angazi bathi IEC yala neSouth Africa ayivumeli ukuthi political party iregister ngabantu, mhlawumbe iregister ibe ngamaqembu amaningi. I-political party register ibe yi-1. Trying to avoid i-situation ithina eZimbabwe esihlala sihlangana nawo, ama-political parties aseZimbabwe ahlangana. IZEC yaseZimbabwe idla ngakho khona lokhuyana ukuthi iyakwazi ukuregister i-political party eyodwa ibe ngamaqembu amaningi, just to cause a confusion. That's why uzothola ukuthi kule MDC-T, kule MDC-N, kule MDC what. So i-system yona liyana okwenza ukuthi i-political party bakwazi ukuyiregister ibe ngama-political party groups amaningi. I-system abakwazi ukuthi igcina bona embusweni. That's why uthola ukuthi ama-political parties wonke umesifa afa ngaleyo ndlela, not because ama-political parties are wrong. Badeploy abantu babo behlale kini lina lingakwazi ukuthi ngababo. Then uma isikhathi sesifikile sebanikaza i-command ukuthi manje madoda i-trigger ipressani i-trigger, then sebeqala uthola sokubangwa igama le-party, and then bakwazi kungabanga igama le-party i-confusion ebantwini sifikile, ingafaka abantu hawu into lena ayisebenzi, sokubangwa futhi igama le-party. So thina I think ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi siphume kikho because of we are a revolutionary movement. Most of the time ezinye izinto sizibona zisiza zingakafiki.
So lela ayibona?
Yes, ayibona isiza. Sase sikwazi ukuthi kuzoba lento eso. That's why we manage even ukuthi siphume kikho.
Ay phela thina siyabe siphandle angithi siyabe sesichaya uvalo ukuthi this is a revolutionary party, and njengokusho kwakho ukuthi you get infiltrated, you would expect ukuthi izinto ezinjengalezo you would have systems in place to guard against them. So mina ngizasaba ukuthi what if I join lami lo mzabalazo kusasa kuvuke kuliwe bazihambela abanye bayale wena usale sesesikhaleni uyabo. So lila, well angiyeke ngithi lilawo yini ngoba kusplitiwe ngithi okhathesi selilawo na ama systems in place to guard against those kind of things.
Yiko ngisithi njengoba si revolutionary movement angithi ngizorefer to ama political like nathi ama revolutionary movement njengabo ZAPU dala emuva le. Engicabanga ukuthi nayo yaba nesplit angithi kwaba lezana kwaba nani leZAPU. Engicabanga futhi kade kumsebenzi wani wamakhiwa ukuthi bayisplit. I-influence yabo, i-infiltration yabo ngendlela kade besebenza ngayo. Okwenza futhi kwaba lesandla ukuthi isikhathi sesibona futhi nakhona ku-genocide ngicabanga ukuthi abelungu ekakhulu iBritain yaba nesandla isebenzisa abaphi labantu. So it's nature kuma-revolutionary movement isikhathi esiningi mangabo i-government ibona ukuthi uyi-threat kumele ukuthi nayo yakha amacebo ukuthi ngakudiliza kanjani. So abantu yibo sokumele ukuthi thina as a party sikwazi ukuthi sibanikeze i-confidence ukuthi as a political party izinto ezinjengalezi sohlala sizigadile, sibancedise futhi ukuthi sikwazi ukuzi-identifya kanjani ukwenzela ukuthi bangazitholi ekugcineni nabo sebegcina belahle, ngoba into leyana kahle kahle mayibuya vele iyabe kuyikuthi noma behlulekile bafuna ukushiya i-party mhlawumbe ididekile abantu bedidekile bengasela trust. Once bakhipha i-trust abantu ngeke basayilandela leyanto ngoba abantu kokuqala badinga ukuthi into bayithembe babe ne-confidence kiyo then-ke sebezokwazi ukuthi bayisupport. So thina umsebenzi wethu ukuthi abantu sibafundise but kunzima ukuthi ubafundise lingazange li-experience leyo nto. So thina siyi-experience-ile kaningi. So ama-members wethu amaningi asezekwazi ukuthi hayi mayizofika le nto siyibona ngalokhu then we let them before yenzeke bahlale be-aware. But abantu aba-outside ababekude babengazi angithi bazobona sokusenzeka babona ngathi hayi manje kule confusion but abasondele eduzane ngokuthi siyabe sesibatshelile bazobe bekwazi.
I think ukuthi up until now lilamanye I think ngathi ngamalunga kumbe maybe abalezikhundla abasebenzilana le-MRP abalokhe bebotshiwe abasezitoksini abanye bayaphuma abanye bakumabheyili.
So far asinayo i-member singathi iboshiwe. Likhumbula ukuthi I think i-member yethu yagcina iboshiwe udaba lwasephakamani ePlumtree lapho abantwana babe-proteste khona bengafuni ukufundiswa isishona besithi they prefer ukuthi bafundiswe ama-local language isindebele noma isikhalanga. So one of our youth leader when they uyobasiza wagcina seboshiwe but wagcina ephumile ngokuncedisana ngebheyili. So abanye futhi ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi lapho kwaduma kakhulu yilabo ababethiwa i-MRP 9 ababoshwe bagcina bebatransfera kuphi eChikurupi eHarare and then mabe befika ngale kusho ukuthi sebefika eprison beungabantu abadescribewa as abantu abayi-threat to the state. So abantu abaningi that's why sithi abantu abangekho ku-forefront abakuboni ukuthi abantu bemathebeleni bayi-threat kangakanani eZimbabwe but labana sebeke bangena eprison bafika khona even though babecabanga ukuthi into encane bafika bakubona khona ngalo ukuthi as long umuntu emathebeleni mawusuboshiwe when you regarded as a high a risk elizweni ukuthi i-state siyabe sikuthi usibheka njengomuntu ongathi mhlawumbe umuntu olobudlova umuntu ongenza izinto yabona because of bona maybe i-mental yabo vele igcwele ukuhlukumeza abantu bakomthwakazi besecanga ukuthi maybe nathi sizobahlukumeza kanti thina siyabe silwela nje i-justice yethu. So abantu ababeboshiwe kwaba i-MRP 9 baphuma futhi ngokuhlukana kwabo. I think abanye angisawakhumbuli kahle ama-date but kule group yaphuma ukuqala I think kwakunguJune abanye I think babephume before but angisakhumbuli kahle ke lapha ama-dates wakhona baphuma ama-groups awu-2 baphuma ukuqala kwaphuma kokugcina. So yibo abantu okugcina ngolo wakade eboshiwe ePlumtree.
Sesike sabona i-MRP getting involved in community helping ama communities in when they were protesting. I think sike salibona eNtaba Zinduna recently belise Hwange helping ama residents against I think the Chinese nationals akade befuna ukuthatha amanzi etamu. How ama activities anjalo lo classify as what?
Ngoba vele siyiphathi lana yokuthi sifuna ukuba close to ebantwini bakithi sibancedise. So that's why singelandaba kakhulu neParliament. We prefer ukuthi sincedise abantu kuqala sibe seduze nabantu ngoba into esihlukumeza kakhulu indlela abantu bakithi abaphathwa ngayo. Udaba lwaseWanka I think liyakunanzelela ukuthi idam leliyana ukuthi abazigubhela ebona beyi-community but manje i-government isifuna ukuthi ama-China athatha amanzi lawana bawasebenzisa without ukuthi i-community iyavuma noma kanjani. So i-community akusela lapho engakhalela khona. The only hope so far imthwakazi lingananzelela ukuthi izinto ezenzeka kakhulu emathebeleni even besiba nama-political party mover but ama-political party lawana ilokuzeni yabo injongo yabo kade kungama-election ukuthi bazobuya emathebeleni bezofuna amavoti. So thina injongo yethu is not ama-election yokuncedisa abantu. That's why uthola ukuthi asitholakali during election time si-campaign sitholakala most of the time makunama-problems ku-ground yikho lapho esitholakala khona sincedisa abantu bakithi ukwenzela ukuthi baku-understand ukuthi we are not just fighting ukuthi thina sigayine ngabo but sisonke silamba thina singaholi singangena eParliament ubuhlungu ababuzwayo nathi sibuzo.
When these activities are happening, abantu bayalibiza kumbe lina liyahamba you offer usizo leni. How does it work? Ukuthi thina mamba laphana silenkinga siyalibiza kumbe lani liya identify lithi no laphana singasiza.
Okwamanje abantu bayasibiza because of bayakwazi ukuthi yithi kuphele singakwazi ukusolve inkinga zabo. So most of ama activities onalale abele wabona ugcina ukuboshwa abantu sisuke sibiziwe abantu ngoba bebesazi ukuthi the only political party efikayo kithi lana ehambisana nokuhlukulezwa kwethu iMRP either without ukuthi base parliament abakho eParliament ibona abantu abazofika kuqala.
Kodwa phela iMRP aso political party.
It's a revolutionary movement.
I MRP is confused. Okay. Then siyaku 2028. What are the plans for MRP? Are you contesting in any of the political spaces? Sizalibona lani selihamba licampaigna kumbe you are staying away kumba lika make up a decision yokuthi what you are doing?
Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi si revolutionary party okwamanje asingeke sikhulume i-strategy set about 2028 because nathi we want to confuse our enemy. So asifuna ukuthi enemy yethu ikwazi ukuthi sikuphi manje but i-focus yethu so far international lobbying. Ngoba so kungenza ukuthi 2028 afike thina sesilithethe ilizwe.
Ayo ngajabula nje. So like I said earlier ukuthi ngeke ngabuza I think asange sisangena kikho ukuthi internationally or even around SADC has there been any country ekhangela situation yethu athi yazithini we would like to help kumbe baba very positive towards us ongathi specifically laba bathe
angeke ngikureveal lokho ikakhulu ngoba sikhuluma la ngoba iNM vele ifuna ukwazi ukuthi sengejana nobani.
Okay.
Siqhumana nobani. So that bazogijima bayiphambili ngoba most of the time i-challenge esitholayo even nakuma media houses. Amanye ama media houses mabe sibiza sithi siyakhona uzothola ukuthi iNM ikhona. Yabona. So sinayo i-challenge nalana ukuthi into emathebele abantu into abangayinanzelele ukuthi i-state si-investe kakhulu kuma agent. Just for abantu bemathebeleni ukuthi bangabi nempumelelo whatever abakwenzayo iminyanga abayigogodayo. So i-challenge yethu ikhona lapho ukuthi each and every mnyanga esugogodayo kule agent of i-state. So sesaze safunda ukuthi izinto zethu ezinye asizenze sicashile sizivumbulule uma ngabe sesijaya intambo. Most of the time that's why ningabona ukuthi even ama programs esiwenza ama activities asikhulumi thina. Sizobona kuphela ngama video noma insesenzile ngoba sesafunda ukuthi iNM isikhathi esiningi masikhuluma ngathi naye nabalaleli babe khona eduzana so ihlala vele nayo isigadile. So okwamanje you cannot reveal ukuthi ubani osekhulumela but into nje esitshela abantu bakomthwakazi yole ukuthi we are still engaging. That's why now we are busy preparing ukuthi president ne leadership yonke baqala ukuthi iminyango lebayihambele bawufika khona mathupha. I think liyakhumbula kuningi video esinayo lapha ku social media African Court. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngeminye iminyango esake sayigogoda ukufakaza ukuthi ngempela siyaqhubha lapha babekhuluma khona ngokuthi udaba lwethu sithini ngoba ngathi balu rejecta ku African Court. Upresident ekhuluma ukuthi we don't think ukuthi bay rejecta but bazama ukusitshela ukuthi okusadvise ukuthi siqale kuphi nakuphi because of ama reason athile nathile. So engicabanga ukuthi into abantu bakomthwakazi angakaze bayizama ukuthi amazona lawo African Court kuyofika ukukhulunywa ngodaba lwethu but iMRP sifikile but so far sesikude kwedlula lapha. Just that now we don't reveal
and publicize.
Exactly.
So ngibuza khona ukuthi before we've gotten to the international and the regional yona i-government yeZimbabwe sike sakhuluma la yodwa ayithi nasifuna ukuhamba vala.
Even wona la ama letters ebesiwabhala izincwadi sizibhalela amanye amazwe nayo eZimbabwe besiyibhalela.
Okay.
So asikaze sijumpe any elokuze ngoba into esifuna ukuthi uma ngabe sesofika lapho nathi sesithi sesithatha isinqumo khona sikwazi ukuthi silandele yonke ilokuzeni imigomo
yebo
ukuthi lapha sifikile South Africa sifikile eZimbabwe sifikile kungabi nokuthi bathi lana ke so sizama ukuthi yonke iminyango sidlule ki iZimbabwe iyakwazi kakhulu ukuthi sifikile even though bekunzima ngoba lingabheka engicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi akaze bakunanzela lingabheka isetup yaseZimbabwe thina singabantu bemathebeni most of the time ama cases ama human rights our report emathebeleni because ama embassy ama offices embassy asinawo emathebeleni and then leyani into ya setup ngamabomu but abantu abaningi abayinanzelele uma thina singaba nama issues afana nalawo we have to go to in Harare so kusuka emathebeleni siyafika eHarare i-security yonke yabikhona security cluster yonke yabikwazi ukuthi umuntu losisiya report icase ethi lusiyofika khona ngalo ma embassies ziba in control so the only lokuzene sesisebenzisa eze Central South Africa angithi kulabantu bethu abaningi so ama offices ama embassy maningi khona la now futhi infiltrated agade thina abantu bemathebeleni but uma ukude ngeke ukubona but abaku forefront ababeyibhekile into ngoba uchayisana nakho every day yithi siyabe sikubona so izinto ezinye engicabanga ukuthi bezivimba kakhulu but nathi sikwazi ukuthi makuso sinama tactics wethu ukuthi okay mabevimbe ngapha thina singena ngapha bazosibona sesiphambili.
Would you say ukuthi MRP is maybe a bit paranoid nge security infiltration the word CIO liyakhulunywa kanengi would you say ukuthi li paranoid nge security? I don't know if paranoid is the right word but yile ngicabanga nje.
Ngicabanga ukuthi uthiwa indlela yaziwa umhambi wayo ngesintu basho njalo ngithi so ngoba thina kuyithi abahambi bendlela yakho ngayibeka ngaleyo ndlela okwamanje indlela yaziwa yini umhambi wayo.
Okay, for my last question sengingathi mina asithi kulomlalelo ngaba lesifiso nje sokuba kwazi ngabanzi ngayo iMRP kumbe njalo umlayezo lingafuna ukunika abantu bemathebeleni bemthwakazi from iMRP yini?
Umlayezo esingawushiya ebantwini bakomthwakazi ukuthi sikumkhankaso ukubuyisa ilizwe lethu ela kumthwakazi and everyone ule duty to play komthwakazi okunya kudinga ukuthi uzubuye kuMRP ngoba thina into esifunayo ukuthi abantu bakomthwakazi bonke balwele ikhozi yakomthwakazi obukhosini ngapha ku culture bakhona abantu ongafuni politics uyangena khona ngezinye indlela nayo ucontribute something ukuthi umthwakazi ngoba kuyawuphakamisa umthwakazi ku politics MRP politically MRP ikhona you can join MRP sincedisane nini mhlawumbe thina sishoda ngawo wena ukhona lapha uzifihlile kade sidinga italent la umuntu kodwa uma umthwakazi usukhululekile wena uwe futhi uyabona sesicabanga ukuthi lo muntu bekuphi ngoba thina besishoda ngaye ngoba into esidinga kakhulu ngama human resources and then ama human resources sicabanga ukuthi italent labantu abakomthwakazi abalifihlileyo lapha na political ngoba into yethi sicabanga ukuthi iyonakala political hence we need a political solution so abantu bakomthwakazi abangama human resources so far sisalo so sidinga kakhulu abantu abanjalo ukuthi babuye kuMRP.
Hayi lezizele umthakazi omuhle kuthiwa eMRP kuvulekile umuntu akabuye kudingakala ihuman resources okunye kuningi siza kubona phambili kodwa kwamanje sisafuna ama foot soldiers angithi yikho kufuna ngeMRP phela. Kufunekala ama foot soldiers if maybe umuntu elembuzo kumbe efuna more information bangaza kuwe lile website
okwamanje ngathi mabefuna more information sile page lele party abantu abaningi ba consulta through kilo khona lapha bakwazi ukwesengage sikwazi nathi ukurespond or nakimi nakhona nami ngakwazi ukuthi nami ngirefer to la ongasizakala khona.
Right, sibongeke mthakazi omuhle namhlanje besikhuluma lo Mfanelo Sibanda weMRP njengoba lizizwele bale page labo le Facebook nxa ufuna more information ngeMRP okwakathesi umfanele uthe iMRP idinga ihuman resources badinga ama foot soldiers abantu abazahambela imthwakazi angithi. So hayi ke lawe uzizwele from the horse's mouth. Ngiyethemba ukuthi ngenye imini sizakhuluma la upresident ngokwakhe, kodwa okwanamhlanje sivala lapha ngisithi igama ngusisa Senkosi Intombi yaseMambale. Ama catch ups coming to you live and direct.